What is going on, y'all? I just want to let you guys know that as I'm driving to work and I'm looking at my YouTube account, and all of a sudden I realize I hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Yes, but I cannot do it without you. I could not do that without you. You brought my creativity to life because every time I post a video, I read your comment, I see your light, I see your interaction, and that pumps me up. That makes me want to be more creative for y'all. Thank you so much. And I know a lot of time when I make videos, people always ask me, is this real? Is it fake? I'm going to share all of that with you. Why? It's because I am excited. I have 100,000 subscribers, and that did not happen overnight. That took me 2 years of hard work. It took me a long time. But it wasn't work because I love what I was doing. I enjoy every moment that I was creating the video just to make you laugh, to make you like, just to make you add a comment. So to answer your question, if my videos of my clients are real or fake, I really want to tell you, but I just don't want to let you know because it will defeat the purpose of you watching my videos, having fun. So I want you to continue guessing if these videos are real or not. If it is, whatever. If it's not, whatever. As long as you enjoy it, you love every moment of it, if you find it educational, that's great because it is educational. Whatever I do is based on experience that I have seen, I have observed, I have seen other people go through it. And you know what? Sometimes when you guys are working in the industry, you want to have somebody who express that experience for you. So at least you can be prepared. Because the world is hard, y'all. This job, when you are dealing with people, is hard. It's because people are different. You know, different personality. And that's how I come up with the content that I come up. It's just observing people, listening, watching. But at the end of the day, y'all, all of this that I'm telling you about could not happen if it wasn't for you. This could not happen if I didn't have the support that I have from you. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Y'all don't even know how excited I am because honestly, waking up this morning, I never thought this would happen to me. I never thought I would have 100,000 subscribers. Never. But you know what I've really learned today? Nothing is impossible. If you love what you do and you keep doing it, someone is gonna notice you. And that is me living proof right now, y'all. Thank you so much for the support. I truly appreciate you. Everything that you have done for me. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you, thank you. Now I'm gonna go to work. Have a good day.